Good morning, everybody. Oh, I'm gonna move this. All right, we're back streaming live from Handy Park, Nelson. How's everybody today? Zeke, Zoe, hi Zoe, hi Finn, Galway, Vodafone. Hi everybody. I can see somebody. I can see Violet and Ira, Xander and Casper. Hi, how's it going? Hannah, hi Hannah Rose. What's going on?
Hi.
Miles, I can see Miles there. Anybody else?
Well, I don't have a computer audio.
All right, somebody's got audio. I'm gonna disconnect the chat thing.
Dang it, I don't have computer audio.
Open it up.
Hi.
All right, now I turned the audio off.
Hello.
Nothing.
All right, get out of it. Quit.
I'm gonna.
Hi.
Get out and start again.
Why am I getting?
Now we're all muted because you just want to hear about me anyway. How's it, guys? How's your? This is the first week of COVID viral lockdown. You guys surviving? Okay. Give us a wave. Hello. Remember, there's always there's a chat if you guys want to chat to me. You can write something in. But today, what are we going to do today? We're going to look at changing states. Okay, this is all about solids and liquids and gases. It's pretty much a fundamental of chemistry. But I know you guys like science. So the thing about science is that why do we do? I mean, do you know why we do science other than it's fun? I just like experimenting. There's lots of stuff you can do around the house. And it's about learning about the world. That's what it is. And then you can always just try and have little experiments around the place. But I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to look at these things. All right. It's all about how things change. That's kind of chemistry, because you have a solid, a liquid, and a gas, and these things all go back and forth with each other. Okay, I mean not with each other, with themselves. Okay, so it can go condensation, evaporation is kind of the opposites, and melting and freezing, and then sublimation and deposition. It's a little bit harder. But I'm gonna what I've got. So we've got water. Hey, Finn, could you grab me some glass of water? So we've got ice. Okay, so this is all about water. Okay, so ice is water. That's basically it. So it's cold water. It's like frozen. We're gonna, and I've got like hot water. See, you can see this one going. So this is dangerous. Okay, if you're gonna look at this, boiling water is really dangerous. So all right. Okay, as you add heat energy to the water, you can see it kind of swirling around. Okay? You can see the bubbles coming up. The cooler water goes down. The warmer water goes up, different density, and in seconds, okay, you can see a little condensation happening around the top. The bubbles, it's about to go crazy in a minute. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. Wait for it. Right, this is good because I've got a glass one, so you can watch it as it. This is what's going on in your jug, even at home. But you don't usually have them, but you can start seeing the bubbles. Bubbles are coming. All right, I want it to get going really crazy. Dylan, nice, Dylan. I like your little peace signs there. That's good. Who else? Okay, there it goes. So this is boiling, and if you can see it, this is going right from a liquid to a gas. So as it gets going like this, you can see the bubbles. So this is adding heat energy, and when the heat energy gets to be enough, then it just turns that straight into a gas. Okay, so we're starting with this, and if we subtract energy, we get the ice. Okay, the ice And when we add energy, you get steam. All right. So that's another thing. I'll show you a little experiment you can do with ice. Bring it with it here. Switch this around. All right. So this is what I did today. So what you do is you get you get any kind of ice cube. I'm going to put a string on it. I use this just cotton string. And then if you add a little bit of salt, what it does, the salt super freezes the, I'm just gonna add a little bit, see how this works. Not every string works, but so what it does, it freezes the string, should freeze the string right onto the ice. And so that works. Look at that, just like boom. All right, so that's a little experiment that you can do at home if you have some ice. And when I did this morning, I was practicing, and I used this string. This string doesn't work. I don't know why. If it's too hairy or fuzzy or something, but this this cotton string works. So you can try different little bits of ice. You can try different little bits of string and just see what works. And then you put a little bit of salt, and then you got to do it quickly, and it just happens right away. All right. So next, we'll go over this again. What we've done. So we looked at changing states of matter. Okay, solid, liquid, and a gas, and how they move back and forth with each other. And then we have it's about the energy. Okay, so you can look as you add heat to a solid, it goes to a liquid. Let's say if you're looking at ice, so you start with ice, or you can start with a metal, and or anything that's solid. If you add heat, it usually goes to a liquid, and then it goes to a gas, and then it goes to plasma. All right, so those are the four states of matter. Okay, and now this is the fun part. Okay, this is really messy, and you can have a go at this at home if you go shopping. Or you might have some of this. So now we've got this Edmonds Fielder's corn flour. Does anybody know what we're gonna make? I'll show you what we're gonna make. We're gonna go for this stuff. You may have seen this before. Okay, this is a Dr. Seuss book, and Bartholomew and the Oobleck. Okay, so if you can read the book, and then we can make this stuff. And I'd already made some, but what you do is you add this corn flour, and a little bit of food coloring, and then oops, sorry, you make this stuff. All right. Okay, so it's kind of right here. I'll put it over here so you can see it. Take the ice away. All right, so this stuff, I've mixed it up. All right, and it kind of turns into a solid, okay? So it's, if you scratch it, it turns into like a solid thing. And then this is called a shear thickening liquid, all right? So when you add a force to it, it turns hard. And then when the force goes away, it goes back to being a liquid. So much fun. I mean, this is like an outside thing. Like you could make some of this stuff and play with it. But it's also, it's an outside thing, you know, because it can get really, really messy and it's hard to clean up. Okay. Okay, back to me. So that's the Oobleck stuff. Let me move that back onto here. So this is what we're looking at today. We're looking at the states of matter, the Oobleck ice. We did that. They call this stuff is a shear thickening fluid. So it behaves like a solid when it encounters mechanical stress. So if you hit it or you punch it, I'm gonna hit it with a hammer in a second. It moves like a liquid until you hit it with something. They use this for liquid body armor, kind of like for like mountain biking and things like that, or if you know motorcycling or something where it's a liquid when it's on your body, and then when like you crash or something, it turns into a solid right away. So there's some really good applications for it. What I do, you can grab this. And this is the Oobleck stuff. And you can actually, I'm gonna just like hit this with a hammer. All right, here we go. So you can hit it, Like there's nothing there. But if you put the hammer in, it actually turns into a liquid. But if you hit it, it's a solid. All right, I'm gonna grab some of this stuff out just for fun. This is the best part. This is the best part when you I'm just gonna grab it. All right. So when you grab, you can just grab it with your hand. All right. So it's okay. So it's a solid now, and so you're grabbing it, and it turns into a solid. But then as you hold it, it just turns. It's just a liquid, and it's like really, really cool, and it's just so much fun to play with. Hopefully, you guys will be able to make some of this. Again, it is an outside. Okay, I'm just watching it. All right, so you can grab. Like oh, geez, it's going all over the floor. You can grab it. Grab big chunks. Like I can almost grab it so as you like hit it. Like there's nothing in my hand. Hit it, hit it, hit it. But if you put your hand into it, it gets really kind of fun and goopy and gaggy. It's kind of like Oobleck. Okay. So that's what I've been doing today. Hopefully you guys have been having some fun, being safe. Make sure you, especially when you do this, you kind of have to wash your hands afterwards. And you can play with this. You can keep it in the fridge if you want. Hopefully, let me know how it goes if you guys ever make some of this stuff. Okay. And again, I'm putting these videos, so I'm recording this now, and you guys will be able to see this if you want to go back to YouTube. I don't know if you guys do YouTube. Oh, I don't know. Now what do I do? All right, here we go. Grab a. Well, I'm all messy now. All right, that's going to be it for today. Hopefully, you guys have. Oops, I'm going to go on to here. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day, good lockdown. All right, I'll see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Give us a wave. Give us a wave, guys. I see Ethan and Tommy, and who else is there? Joel Bolton, Dean and Shane and Bridgie. I'm just having a look. Kaja. Ben and Daniel, hello. Valerie, Holly, Beth, Vodafone, Tab Prime, Dylan. I see Dylan and Michaela are still here. Noah and Flory and Poppy and Dimitri, Emily, Lachlan, Jane, Clay, hello, Libby, Carla. It was great when you put your names, then I can know who you are. Carla is Hamish and Ruth and Josh. Hi, Josh. How's it going? Do you guys miss school yet? Well, it's good to see you. It's good to see you here. Murray and Tunnicliffe. Rachel is still there. Hi, Cara Dawson. I'm keeping going, moving through this. Winrez, Alex, Kelly Phillips. Gosh, you guys, there's a lot of people. It's good to see you guys. Come back tomorrow. Allie and Zoe and Jasmine, Xander and Casper and Amanda. Wow, let's keep going. Jesse, Jessica, Lucas, Chris, Jesse, Seth, Hannah. Wow, it keeps going. Kaide, Cool, Dylan, Ash, Debbie, Shattuck family. It just keeps going on and on. Okay, I'm gonna head out now and have a good day. It's a beautiful day in Nelson. Hopefully it's a beautiful day where you guys are, and stay cool. All right, see you guys, bye.